What's the best financial advice you would give your younger self? Do you consider yourself a person that's wealthy? Can I ask how much you make a year? This is Michael Joel, and today we're going to ask people some vulnerable money questions. Let's go. Can I ask you guys what we do for a living?
Yeah. Daniel Mack. I'm Daniel Mack, bro.
You're Daniel Mack? What's your real name?
Eden.
Eden. Pleasure to meet you, man. I'm Michael.
My friend.
Michael. He's also Michael.
You're Michael?
The one and only, yeah.
Michael. And you?
I'm Liran.
What do you guys do for a living?
I'm a sales dream. I create the next generation of monsters that have a nice smile on their face and can sell anything they want.
60 to 100 cold calls all day?
It's not cold calls, but we're like, not door to door, but you know those people that stop you in the mall?
Yeah, that's like I'm doing right now.
Yeah, right.
Okay,
That's
awesome.
why I like it. I like approaching.
Awesome.
Well, make way more money than you can even believe those kids.
Can you give me a salary range or how much you make?
The good ones will do about like 22.
How about you?
I'm doing drop shipping and website development. I'm an entrepreneur. What I do is I create and found brands, private label brands, with manufacturers from China. And eventually, after getting sales, I'm just like flipping the business. I run the business until it gets to a certain point, and then I'm listing it for sale. So I'm earning both ways. I'm earning one from the work, the regular work at the business, and two, when I sell the business eventually.
How'd you get into that?
I do that since the age of 12. I'm kind of guy, I don't have any academical education.
Right.
I learn only from the streets, you know. I like learn while I'm doing stuff, I learn. And if I get to a point that I have a problem that I don't know how to fix it, then I teach myself how to fix it. That's why I don't have any employees and I work by myself. I believe that once you do this, you can get to a certain point in life that you're limitless. You can do whatever you want, and you don't have like any range of salary that is the top. You can always break your own top.
Awesome.
That's what I believe.
How much do you make a year or monthly?
You can do a deal. You can make 40,000 profit. You can do one deal at a month. You can do two deals at a month. But for each e-commerce drop shipping website, like you can make approximately between $10,000 to $30,000 a month profit. That's for selling your products.
What's the best financial advice you will give your younger self?
Try to spend money instead of save it.
Try to spend it instead of save it?
Yeah.
Do you think you save too much?
Yeah.
What percentage of your income do you think you save on a monthly basis?
75%.
75%? Wow. Can I ask how much you make a year?
A lot.
A lot. What's the best financial advice you would give your younger self?
My younger self?
Yes, sir.
My Bitcoin when it was like very cheap.
When was the first time you heard about Bitcoin?
2009?
2009?
2008.
What do you do for a living?
Composer for television.
How much you make a year?
Around 70 to 100,000.
What advice do you have for someone that's trying to get into that?
Practice your off. Don't stop practicing. Take advantage of every opportunity. Get out there. Don't work for free. Teach. Musicians, you have to teach others. So.
I actually work for Polygon. Polygon is an L2 scaling solution. It's Web 3.0. So it's blockchain. I do all the education for it. So if you want to learn about Polygon technology, if you want to learn about scaling blockchains, how to do Web 3, you join this website, you come out, and we're coming out with a university on the 14th of October. So definitely check it out.
Awesome. How much do you make a year?
I make $300K a year. About 190 of that is just cash, and 100K is in stocks. So Polygon raised about $10 billion, including from Mark Cuban Investments. We're basically the next big thing in blockchain. So there are actually two big products that we're coming out with. One is Supernets. It's a private blockchain. And what you're doing here is basically, you heard of Ethereum, you heard of Bitcoin.
Yeah,
those are like public chains. Those are public things that anyone can access, anyone can hack, anyone can get it onto. If you're a hospital and you want to keep your data private, or if you're like a big company and you want to do things on a big scale but privately, that's where you can launch like your own Ethereum or your own little blockchain. So that's where we come in. We help you set all of it up with our Supernets. And if you want to access any website like Facebook, you want to access Upwork, Twitter, you name it, without giving them all of your ID and basically just opening yourself up with all your information, that's where you have Polygon ID. You basically keep all of your data secure on your private network, on your browser. You don't give out your information. So it's kind of like the new age of the internet. It's the new age of how things are going to be in the future. Right. Everything is secure, encrypted, where you keep all the information on your private key and no one gets any of that info. They just get a private key. So someone asks you, hey, can you prove you're 18 years old or you know, to be able to buy something, or 21 plus to go in a bar? You don't have to show them your ID. You say, hey, scan my QR code, and the QR code will prove to you that I'm 21 plus. You don't know my name, you don't know anything about me, where I'm from. It's none of your business. You just want to know 21 plus, and this proves it to you. I've done it. I've kind of like convinced some of my past business partners or friends I've had. I'm like, guys, like, come in with me. Let's all like find a place where we want to work together, where we want to grow, and then use those skills in the future to kind of do our own thing.
Awesome.
So yeah, that's what I would say. Find something you're really good at, and be so good at it that not only can you find a job, but the 9 to 5 takes you like an hour or 2 hours a day to do. So you have plenty of time to do whatever else you want, or just do more of it and make more.
What's the best financial advice you would give your younger self?
About real estate.
Is that what you're in?
Yeah.
How long have you been in real estate?
4 years.
4 years. As an agent?
No, so I was a mortgage broker, and then after that I switched to buying investment properties, rentals.
In Miami?
Atlanta.
Oh, awesome. We're actually looking like to move to Atlanta. What do you think about the community and everything there?
It's great.
It's great?
Real estate's booming. It's one of the markets that's totally solid, despite, you know, all the crazy stuff that's going on.
Yeah.
You all need to check out his page.
Huh?
Away with Bay.
Away with Bay.
Yeah, Away with Bay. That's me and my fiance's
We
travel.
just got engaged.
Yeah, we just got engaged.
Awesome. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Awesome. How much do you make as a real estate investor?
The IRS is watching anywhere between $250 and $500.
Awesome. That's amazing, man. What's some advice you would give to someone that wants to make more income?
Just start. Find something that you enjoy. Just do it.
Just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!